she wasn't the one.
Okay, so right off the bat, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the bundles are 2 different colors. So this one is like a 4, it's like a sandy brown. And then this one is like a 2. And I'm not sure why I would get 2 different colored bundles when they supposedly only offer one. Like, I don't know why this is gonna piss me off. Okay, like, I don't understand, why would you send somebody 2 different color bundles? Like, that makes no sense to me. Like, if you see somebody order 2 bundles, your first thought should be, let me send them 2 of the same bundles. Or if they buy 3 or 4 bundles, let me all send them the same colored bundles. Not send them 1 light skin bundle and 1 dark bundle. Like, make it make sense. I'm about to, you know, I'm about to show y'all because the lighting is better over here. All right, I think you can see, let me focus camera. So you can see this one on the left is like a light brown, and the one on the right is a dark brown. Let me try to go to the kitchen right here. The one on the left is lighter, and the one on the on the right is darker. Like, why would you do that, miss? Now I gotta mix the bundles and try to make it blend. Like, that is so unnecessary, and I feel like so unprofessional. And I, no cap, don't feel like sending it back because, like, I'm ready to install my hair today. But, like, now I'm, like, tempted to leave a bad review. Like, why would you do that? All right, you guys, so this is pretty much the hair installed. If you look at it, it has a nice gradual slope because I mixed the 2 bundles. So I had 16-inch bundle and I had a 14-inch bundle. The 14-inch bundle was like a light brown, and the 16 was like more of a soft black color. So I had to mix the bundles so that you couldn't tell, like, the top layer was 14-inch and the bottom layer was 16-inch. It's just kind of a mix of the 2 colors. So it actually did come out really nice. And I have this much of the hair left. So this is what color is this? This is the 16-inch. This is what the bundles look like. It's very, very pretty. The hair is very soft, very manageable. I really like this product. I cannot lie. Like, this is the best hair I've ever had. And like, the fact that it's curly and I can just wear my hair naturally as it is a bonus. So I'm actually going to go to the beauty supply store and get some clips and make this into a clip hairpiece so that I can put it in my bang for when I want to wear my hair like this. And the reason I'm putting it into clips is so that I can either wear my hair split down the sides like this, or I could wear my hair to the front like I normally would, like that, and then I can just add in those clips for volume. So right now I'm actually just going to spray this aloe vera on my hair. And the funny thing about this, you guys, my husband came home and he was like, I was like going like this with the hair, and he was like, oh, I like it. And I'm like he didn't even realize that it was extensions. So it's like they really do blend with your hair. So I'm spraying this aloe vera. You can use water if you want to. My hair just really likes aloe vera. And next I'm going in with this Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In from Shea Moisture. And you just want to saturate your hair with this. You know, do like your little wash and go routine like you normally would.
Hey, Johnny.
I like to rake the product through my hair because it helps my hair clump better. And then I'm going in with the Camille Rose, the marshmallow gel. I really love this stuff because it gives my hair a soft hold without making it too crunchy.
You're recording?
Obviously, I'm not fucking talking to myself.
I didn't know if you were on the phone.
And then I'm going like this on my hair just to kind of activate the curls really quick.
Can we clean our bathroom?
Ah, period. Look how well my hair blends with that. Like, sis, this isn't even extensions. This is my hair. And I said what I said.
Are you gonna buy me my exhaust?
First of all, don't come on my game. Don't come on. I'll leave you in the video. Don't do that. Bro, don't this look like my fucking hair? No cap.
It does, because you can't see your edges. Like, what'd you do to not feel it? Because usually
I left my hair out.
that's all you needed to do. Alright, so quit taking your hair
Wait.
in and out. If that looks good,
Period.
so just leave it like that. It was $300, nigga.
Bitch, you better look good.
$300.
Right. Ah, period. Period. Okay. I might leave that clip in, I might not. But like I said, it looks super duper natural. Like, this looks like my hair. So I'm glad I actually did it because okay, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next banger.